My dear students, today I want to discuss material variance first and then want to solve a problem on material variance. You know, material variances are five variances. Total variance is cost variance and then subdivided into price and usage, and usage variance subdivided into two variances, mix and yield. Let's discuss elaborately. Material cost variance. It is the difference between the standard cost of material specified and actual cost of material used. The variances arises due to variation of material price and usage, and standard cost of material is equal to standard price per unit multiplied by standard quantity for actual output, and actual cost of material is equal to actual price per unit multiplied by actual quantity consumed. Standard quantity means the quantity of material which ought to have been consumed according to standard usage rate for producing the actual output. Thus, the calculation is material cost variance is equal to standard cost for actual output SCAO minus actual cost AC, or standard price multiplied standard quantity for actual output minus actual price into actual quantity. And material cost variance subdivided into two variances, material price variance and usage variance. Material price variance. It is that portion of material variances that arises due to difference between standard material price and actual material price. Calculation is as under: standard price multiplied by actual quantity minus actual price multiplied by actual quantity, or actual quantity multiplied by standard price minus actual price. And if the standard price is more, then result is favorable. If the standard price is less than the actual price, it is adverse. And if both are equal, the result will be zero. Material usage variance. It represents that part of the material cost variance that arises due to difference between standard quantity specified and actual quantity consumed. The calculation is as under: material usage variance is equal to actual quantity or multiplied by standard price minus standard quantity multiplied by standard price, and standard price multiplied by standard quantity minus actual quantity. And if standard quantity greater than actual quantity, the result is favorable. And standard quantity, if it is less than the actual quantity, it is adverse. And if standard quantity is equal to actual quantity, result will be zero. And material usage variance subdivided into two variances, material mix variance and material yield variance. Material mix variance. What definite proportion of different raw materials are mixed to get a product, standard product proportion is set. If the actual proportion of the mixture differs from the standard proportion, the variance cost thereby is known as material mixture variance, or simply material mix variance. This is a part of material usage variance calculation. Here, each item of mixture is to be considered separately. Standard cost of refined standard mix minus standard cost of actual mix is equal to standard price of each unit of each item and multiplied by revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. If revised standard quantity greater than actual quantity, result is favorable, and if result RSQ less than actual quantity, result is adverse, and if RSQ is equal to actual quantity, result will be zero. Material yield variance. Material yield variance is defined as that portion of the material usage variance which is due to difference between standard yield or output specified and actual yield or output obtained. It may be noted that the yield variance is based on output while all other variances are based on input. Material yield variance, standard cost per unit multiplied by actual yield or output minus standard yield or output or actual input. Standard yield is that proportion which should result result in by the input of actual quantity of materials. Here standard yield is equal to standard production divided by total standard quantity of input multiplied by total actual quantity of input, and standard cost per unit is equal to total cost of standard mix of material divided by net standard output quantity. If actual yield greater than standard yield, the result will be positive. If actual yield less than standard yield, then result will be adverse, and if both are equal, result will be 0. Let's start a problem. Problem number 1. Standard cost of chemical mixture is under 8 tons of material A at rupees 40 per ton, 12 tons of material B at rupees 60 per ton, and standard yield is 90% of input, and the actual cost are 10 tons of material A 30 per ton, 20 tons of material B 60 per ton, and actual yield is 26.5. Compute material variances. Here is a chart for what is material A and B, standard unit of material A at rupees 40 and standard B cost of material B 12 unit at rupees 60, total 320 and 720, and total is 20 unit for rupees 1040, and standard yield is 90%, that is 18, and the difference is loss 18 unit and 1040 total standard cost. Then actual unit 10 units of material A, 20 units of 30 at rupees 30, and 20 units of material B at rupees 68. Total is 1660, and actual yield is 26.5, and the difference is lost. Here total cost is 1660 and net cost is 1660. Then we have to compute reverse standard input, that is 12 and 18. How it calculated? Let's see. 8 units of standard material A for out of 20 units, 8 by 20 multiplied by total standard total input is 30, that is 12, and next 12 units of material B out of 20 and multiplied by 30, the total input, and result is 18. 18 is written here, and the standard cost is 40 per ton of unit A, 60 per ton unit B, and total is 480 and 1080, 1560 for 30 units, and standard yield is 90% of unit, that is 90% is 27, difference is loss, and 27 for rupees 1560. Then standard cost of actual goods. It is to be multiplied column 3 and column 5. Let's see. Column 3 is standard rate 40 for actual 10 is equal to 400. Material B 60 into 20 1200, total is 1600. Now calculation of variances. Material cost variance, standard cost for actual minus actual cost. Here 1040 standard cost for 18 units, and if for 18 units is 1040, for 26.5 what should be the standard unit and standard cost, that is to be multiplied minus actual cost, that is 1660. Result is 129 adverse, that is negative. Then the material price variance. Material A, 10 tons of actual cost. Actual unit of material A, standard rate is 40, actual rate is 30, and the equation result is 100 favorable, that is positive. Material B, 20 tons of actual unit, standard rate is 60, actual rate is 68, and the equation result is 160 adverse, and net result is 60 material price variance adverse. Then material usage variance. Material usage variance standard price, that is 40, and material B is 60, and 26.5 multiplied by 8 by 18, and material 26.5 multiplied, and as similarly material B, 12 units multiplied by divided by 18 multiplied by 26.5, that is the actual input. The result is, actual input is 10, material A, actual input of material B 20 tons, result is 71 favorable first material, and second material 140 adverse, and the net usage variance is 69 adverse. Then the material mix variance. Standard cost of revised standard mix. It is calculated already, or total already calculated here. Let's see. Revised standard cost, that is standard cost of revised standard mix, 1560, and the standard cost of actual mix, that is 1600. Result is 40 advance. And last one is material yield variance. Standard cost per unit multiplied by actual yield or output minus standard yield or output for actual input. It is revised standard cost 1560 for 27 units. If it is divided, the standard rate is calculated. Here, standard cost per unit, and then 26.5 tons actual yield, it is here, and standard yield is 27 tons, and the result is 29 adverse. Thank you. Thank you.